We're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we're going to go check out hurricanes on the boardwalk. Let's go take a look.
Hurricane's Daiquiri Bar and Grill, located right on the world-famous boardwalk in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, in between 916 North Ocean Boulevard and the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. This place is known as Myrtle Beach's best bar on the boardwalk, and the views of the beach are something else. Suppose you're on that hot beach and getting thirsty, and suddenly you have a hankering for something frozen to cool you off. Or strolling down this long and winding boardwalk and looking for something unique and refreshing. Well, you're in luck, because Hurricanes on the boardwalk in Myrtle Beach may just have what you need. They offer a wide range of frozen cocktails from electric lemonade to the margarita. But it doesn't stop there. If you want a mixed drink or beer, they are full service and have plenty of options there too. But it's not just a drinking place. As you can see from the extensive collection, this scenic spot serves up an array of items from the grill. Everything from crab cakes and chicken wings to burgers and baskets. We started with the fried pickles. Then I got the ranch chicken wrap, and she got the fried shrimp. While we sat and sipped, watching the waves and people stroll up and down the boardwalk. Steps from the world-famous Sky Wheel, this establishment is super convenient and very accessible. They offer inside and outside seating. And their hours of operation are every day from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. The decor and tables give this place that beachy theme that any place around here deserves. So, if you're looking for a great place to find some food or a frozen drink on the boardwalk, you may want to make a pit stop at Hurricane's Daiquiri Bar and Grill for a bite or a frozen drink. There are so many options here, you'll get blown away at Hurricanes. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel to keep up with new videos each week. And as always, keep beaching.